Thank you for purchasing the Eden High Back chair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Eden High Back chair should come fully boxed, as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, remove all the various components and set them to one side. Packaged with your product, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it will contain useful information regarding the assembly and basic maintenance of your item. Packaged with your manual, you should also have the following items to complete the assembly: 1 Allen key, 4 bolts, 4 flat washers and 4 curved washers. With the excess packaging removed, you can now put your chair together. First, drop the backrest onto the frame. Use the push pins to make sure it's on fully. You should hear a click when the backrest is secure. Further connect the backrest to the seat by using the Velcro straps. Flip the seat on its side to attach the legs. For this, you will need all of your smaller components. Line up a flat washer and a curved washer with the corresponding holes on the frame in order to connect a leg. Make sure the flat washer is underneath and make sure the holes are lined up. Now line up the legs so that you can drop a bolt into place and secure them to the seat frame. Tighten the bolt using the Allen key supplied with the item. Repeat this process with the legs on the other side. The height of the legs can be easily adjusted using the push pins. The holes on the side of the leg can be used for reference so that the height of the legs are all even. Your Eden High Back chair is now fully assembled, and the casters on the rear legs will allow you to move the chair around with ease. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the Eden High Back chair or its assembly, simply go on to careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.